Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create a Cash App account in an unsupported country. Cash App is officially only available in the US and the UK. If you live elsewhere, you'll need workaround like VPN. Firstly, install a reliable VPN app like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, etc. and connect to a US server. Use services like Google Voice, TextNow or Virtual SIM provider to get a US phone number. Now you'll need a payment method that works with a Cash App like Bank of America, Chase or Tribe. Alternatively, some use prepaid US cards or online banking apps that provide routing and account numbers. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and install Cash App. Open the Cash App with the VPN on and use your US phone number to sign up. Enter your US bank or card details to link it, and after registration, you may not need VPN always, but keep it handy in case of login issues. Once set up, you can send or receive money, get a cash card, and even buy Bitcoin stocks if linked with a US bank details. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.